The cosmos is vast and silent. For centuries we've wondered if we're alone, listening for any sign of life. Today, September 30th, 2025, that silence was broken. A signal from an interstellar visitor, 3I/Atlas, reached Mars. Against all odds, Mars answered. This wasn't a message for us, but a cosmic conversation we overheard. Scientists at NASA and ESA became witnesses to a dialogue between worlds. Their instruments picked up a faint, unmistakable transmission. The universe has spoken, not to us but between itself. Phones rang in observatories worldwide, data poured in. What did the signal say? Why Mars? How did it answer? We've stumbled onto a cosmic mystery, a puzzle in physics and light. And it all began with a single, targeted burst from a lonely interstellar traveler. What is 3I/Atlas? Not a spaceship but an interstellar object, born around another star, drifting for eons. Detected as a faint smudge, it was just passing through, larger and closer than Oumuamua. Scientists found it rich in strange metals, a relic from another planetary system. Its path was thought to be simple, swing by the sun, then vanish into darkness. But today it did the unthinkable. It transmitted a signal. The 3I marks it as the third interstellar object discovered. Atlas is the Hawaiian telescope that found it. We studied its light, tracked its path, never expecting it to communicate. Now it's more than a rock, it's a messenger. Is it a natural phenomenon or an ancient probe awakened at last? 3I/Atlas has delivered not just itself, but a question that challenges our understanding of the cosmos. The mystery has only deepened. Sending messages across space isn't like making a phone call. Even at light speed, signals to Mars take minutes to arrive. We use massive antennas, the deep space network, to send whispers across millions of kilometers. By the time a signal reaches Mars, it's barely a trace. 3I/Atlas, a solitary traveler, managed to send a focused, detectable beam to Mars. This wasn't a broad shout, but a precise, targeted message. Scientists were stunned by its accuracy and sophistication. The signal's journey was a silent race through solar wind and cosmic hazards. It arrived at exactly the right frequency, at exactly the right place. That it arrived at all is astonishing. That it was so precise is a mystery for a generation. The universe just raised the bar for what's possible. The signal story is a cosmic drama in 2 acts. Act 1, 3I/Atlas transmits a structured burst, detected by NASA's MAVEN orbiter. The pattern, based on prime numbers, was a universal calling card. Act 2, minutes later, a new signal comes from Mars, specifically Utopia Planitia. The source? The long-dead Viking 2 lander. The response mirrored the prime number sequence with a twist. Our rovers were elsewhere. Viking 2 was presumed silent for decades. The leading theory, 3I/Atlas's beam, jump-started Viking 2's circuits, triggering a dormant message. A 1 in a billion shot, like reviving a dead battery with a distant laser. The answer from Mars wasn't from Martians, but from us, a forgotten echo awakened by a visitor from the stars. In a beautiful twist, our past met the universe's present. The conversation was real, and we were lucky enough to listen in. The cosmos just reminded us how connected everything can be. This event has reshaped our view of space and the search for life. For the first time, we witnessed active communication between two worlds, without human initiation. It proves targeted energy transfer across space is possible. Now, we must study 3I/Atlas before it leaves forever. Is it a natural marvel, or an ancient probe? Our old spacecraft are no longer just relics. They're potential sentinels waiting to be awakened. We stand at the dawn of a new era. The universe is more complex and surprising than we imagined. A visitor from another star said hello to Mars, and a ghost of our past answered. The journey to the stars just got a lot more interesting. The cosmos is alive with possibility, and we're finally listening.